Using the proper ingredients in your DIY scrub can hydrate the skin and create a dewy glow as well by exfoliating dirt and dead skin cells, unclogging pores, stimulating blood flow, and lightening the appearance of scars and unwanted marks. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY barley scrub for dull and rough skin. You will need barley flour 1 teaspoon. It helps to remove suntan, lightens blemishes, pigmentation spots, and tightens skin. A complete safe skincare product to remove suntan and brighten up skin tone. This pack is moisturizing face pack, which improves the skin texture, boosts the skin renewal and hydration. Lemon juice 1 teaspoon. Lemon is a natural source of vitamin C. This vitamin helps lightening dark spots from sun exposure, age spots, and discolorations. It also helps with rough spots such as knee, elbows, hands, and feet. Milk 1 teaspoon. Lactic acid and protein present in raw milk. It works well as an exfoliating and hydrating agent. A raw milk scrub is helpful for removing dead skin cells, lightening skin tone, and removing blackheads and whiteheads. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste, apply on your face and neck, massage 2 to 3 minutes, and then rinse it off with plain water.